Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to easily upload images on Deepseek AI. So if you don't have Deepseek AI yet, you can just go to your Google web browser and then search for Deepseek AI. So let me type it, Deepseek AI. And what you're going to do is you have to click this one right here. Or if you have installed this to your device, you can exit your Google web browser and then launch your Deepseek application. And then here you have to make sure that you have signed up, create an account. And as you can see, if I tap these two lines here, I have created an account already. So in order for you to easily upload images, what you're going to do is you just have to simply click this plus icon, and then you will see here options such as photo OCR, image OCR, or document. So you can choose from any of this option right here. For example, if I'm going to tap this image right here, okay, and then select an image, tap add. As you can see, it's now uploading, parsing. So I just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then tap this arrow facing up. I'll just wait till Deepseek AI generate an information out from this picture. And here it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.